Okay, this is Flowers in the Rain. Woke up one morning, half asleep, with all my blankets in a heap, and yellow roses scattered all around. The time was still approaching, for I couldn't stand it anymore, so yellow roses on my eider down. Just sitting, watching flowers in the rain, feel the power of the rain, making the garden grow. Just sitting, watching flowers in the rain, feel the power of the rain, keep me cool. And so I lay upon my side with all the windows open wide, couldn't pressurize my mind from speaking, hoping not to make a sound. I pushed my head into the ground in time to catch the sight that I was singing. Just sitting, watching flowers in the rain, feel the power of the rain, making the garden grow. Just sitting, watching flowers in the rain, feel the power of the rain, keeping me cool.